In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add and use appointments on your GoDaddy website step by step. If you run a service-based business like photography, consulting, coaching, beauty services, or any type of client booking business, this feature allows your customers to book directly from your website without you going back and forth over email. By the end of this video, you'll have your appointment system fully set up and live. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and software tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. First, go ahead and log into your GoDaddy account. Open your browser, head over to GoDaddy.com, and click Sign In at the top right. Enter your email address and password and access your account dashboard. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for the section called My Products. Click on My Products to see all the services connected to your account. Here, you'll find your website listed under Websites plus Marketing or your active website plan. Next, click on your website service to open its management page. Once you're inside your website dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Appointments. This is where you'll manage your booking system. If this is your first time using it, you'll need to turn on Appointments. Inside the Appointments dashboard, click on Get Started or Set Up Appointments. GoDaddy will then ask you what type of service you offer. You can choose in-person if clients visit you physically, virtual or online if you use platforms like Zoom, or phone call if your appointments are over the phone. Select the option that best fits your business. Now it's time to add your first service. Click on the button that says Plus Add Service. You'll now enter the details of your service. Start with the service name, for example, photography session, consultation call, hairstyling appointment, or whatever fits your business. Then add a clear description so customers understand exactly what they're booking. Next, choose the duration of the service. This could be 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, or any custom length. After that, set your pricing. You can mark it as free, set a fixed price, or choose a custom pricing option depending on your needs. Then assign staff. If you're a solo business owner, you can assign it to yourself. If you have a team, you can select the appropriate team member. Once everything looks good, click Save. Now let's set your availability. This step is very important because it determines when customers can book you. Go to Calendar and then click on Availability. Here you can choose your working days, such as Monday through Friday, and set your available time slots like 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can also add break times, for example, a lunch break from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Once you've configured your schedule, make sure to save your availability settings. With your service and availability ready, the next step is adding the appointment section to your actual website. Go back and open your website builder, then click Edit Website. Navigate to the page where you want your booking system to appear. This could be your home page, a services page, or a dedicated booking page. Click on Add Section, then scroll down until you find the Scheduling category. Inside Scheduling, choose Appointments or Book Online depending on what you see. Click Add and the booking section will now appear on your page. You can reposition it and customize the layout to match your website design. Now visitors will be able to book your services directly online. After adding the section, you can manage all bookings from the Appointments dashboard. Here you can view incoming bookings, accept or decline appointment requests if manual approval is enabled, set automatic confirmations, send reminder notifications to clients, and even sync everything with your Google Calendar so you never miss a booking. Finally, once everything is set up and looking good, click Publish in the top right corner of your website builder. As soon as you publish, your booking system goes live and customers can start scheduling appointments with you immediately. And that's it. You now know how to add and use appointments on your GoDaddy website from start to finish. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step GoDaddy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.